Hello viewers, today I am going to explain about foreign exchange rate chapter of class plus 2 economics. My topic is gold standard system of exchange rate. Students, listen it carefully. This is one of the oldest variant of fixed exchange rate system. It is an old variant of fixed exchange rate system. This system prevailed in most countries of the world prior to 1920s. ये तो एक old variant है based on gold parity value, and this system exists in most of the countries before 1920. Gold was taken as the common unit of parity purchasing power between currencies of the world. So gold is a key value, parity value. For example, sometimes a question may ask, give example. So here the example, 1 UK pound is equal to 4 gram of gold. 1 UK pound can purchase 4 gram of gold. On the other hand, 1 US dollar can purchase 2 gram of gold. So it means the ratio is 1 UK pound is equal to 2 US dollar. This is the ratio 1 is to 2. So gold system exchange rate, old variant, in most of the countries for the world it exists before 1920. Gold was taken as the common unit of parity between currencies. Example, 1 UK pound is equal to can purchase 4 gram of gold. 1 US dollar is 2 gram of gold. So 1 UK pound is equal to 2 US dollar, or we can say 1 is to 2 ratio. So next, this system based on Bretton Woods system of exchange rate. What does it mean? Even this system was a fixed system of exchange rate, but allowed some adjustments according to this system. Who did the adjustment? That we will discuss over here. So once again, Bretton Woods system of exchange rate. Even this system was a fixed system of exchange rate, but allowed some adjustments according to this system. Number one, different currencies of the world were clubbed to one currency, that is US dollar, one of the leading currency in the world and a rich economy. Number two, US dollar was assigned gold value at a fixed price. Once again, different currencies were clubbed to one currency, that is US dollar. US dollar was assigned gold value at a fixed price. Now, value of one currency in terms of US dollar implied means value of one currency in terms of US dollar implied means value of that currency in terms of gold. So gold is a key parity value between the countries. So again, gold continued to be ultimate unit of parity purchasing power between any two currencies. Next, adjustment. Who did adjustment? Here, adjustments in the value of currencies was possible only and only if IMF allowed by the IMF, International Monetary Fund. International Monetary Fund. So these are the three systems according to this system, three possibilities or four. Next, even this system was abandoned. अब ये system नहीं चल रहा in 1977, but it was replaced by flexible system of exchange rate. ये हमने last videos में हमने देखा भी है. So be careful. This is very good question. and this may be come in the assertion or logical reasoning or maybe a case study based question. So now students, I am going to discuss some of the questions uh, which is very important for examination point of view. So please pay your attention. First question: how does appreciation and depreciation of domestic currency affect exports and imports of the domestic economy? How does appreciation and depreciation of domestic economy, हम अपने देश की बात कर रहे हैं, रुपीस की बात कर रहे हैं, इंडिया की बात कर रहे हैं और किसी दूसरे देश की करेंसी है तो उसकी भी बात सेम है. द लॉजिक इज सेम. Appreciation of domestic currency implies appreciation of domestic currency means of any country. Here I am taking the example of Indian rupees. So first impact, less rupees are required to buy a dollar. अगर पहले हम डॉलर 80 रुपए में खरीद रहे थे, अब 70 रुपीज पे करेंगे. इट मीन्स इंपोर्ट्स आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू इंक्रीज. जो इंपोर्ट है वो हमारे बढ़ सकते हैं प्रोवाइडेड क्वालिटी क्वांटिटी फीचर्स ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्ट should be same and price will be less, only then imports will be increased. More dollars are required. On the other hand, more dollars are required to buy a rupee. So exports are likely to fall. So दोनों एक ही मीनिंग है. उधर एक्सपोर्ट से बात कर रहे हैं, इधर इंपोर्ट से कर रहे हैं, रिवर्स है. एंड द सेकेंड पार्ट इज डेप्रिसिएशन. डेप्रिसिएशन वैसे लॉस ऑफ वैल्यू ऑफ रुपीज इन टर्म्स ऑफ गोल्ड या लोअरिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ our currency in relation to rest of the world currency. Here I am comparing with the dollar. So depreciation of domestic currency implies more rupees. अब हमें चाहिए to purchase, to buy $1. So imports are likely to fall क्योंकि import करने महंगे हो जाएंगे, हमें ज्यादा रुपया देना पड़ेगा. So more imports are likely to fall. And less dollars are required. एक ही बात है, are required to buy a rupee उनके बिहाफ के ऊपर. So exports are expected to rise. So this is the question, and like these questions will come in the examination. So be careful. Next, one more question is small. Why was gold standard system of exchange rate abandoned? Here I said the gold system rate of exchange was abandoned and it was replaced by flexible system of exchange rate. Why it is so? Because there are some reasons. First of all, this system required lot of reserves of gold. दिस सिस्टम रिक्वायर किसी भी देश के पास गोल्ड बहुत होना चाहिए और फिजिकल गोल्ड एक्सचेंज करना लिटिल बिट डिफिकल्ट. दिस रेजेस द डिमांड फॉर गोल्ड. जब ट्रेड करना है, व्यापार करना है और कुछ एक्टिविटी करनी है, एक्सचेंज ऑफ नॉलेज, स्किल, ट्रेनिंग, एक्सपर्टीज करना है, कैपिटल खरीदनी है, तो वी रिक्वायर ए लॉट ऑफ गोल्ड. So but supply of gold was extremely low. This is the reason in relation of demand. As soon as demand will increase, production of the gold was very difficult. In few countries it is possible where they have natural resources like that, so that they can produce. Where it is not possible, so supply of gold was extremely low in relation to demand. So these are the two questions and one topic related with the Bretton Woods system of exchange rate, and other one is gold standard system of exchange rate. So please revise it properly. So thank you very much.